Hey tubers, Joe here, Mr. Faust. I just picked up a product I thought I'd let you all know that existed. I've got these drawers that have the wheels, and usually you have a small bracket like this, and then there's another small bracket on the side of the wooden drawer. Well, with these drawers, they have this whole side that's part of the bracket. So I just couldn't replace the bracket. I had to find wheels because all the wheels are shot. See the wheel? Okay, so this one, I put the wheel in. It's a brand new wheel. I didn't know you could buy them, but if you go back by it was on one of the hardware aisles, they have these little wheels. You can buy them with screws and everything, replacement wheels. So you don't have to buy the whole rails. You can buy these little wheels, okay? There's 2 in a pack. They come with the wheel. You can see the wheel, okay? And then there's a little screw. And you take the screw and you screw it in to the little nut that's on the wheel, okay? And then it goes right onto this bracket. So take the screw, put it through the hole, make sure the wheel's on the right side, and then you're going to screw this wheel onto the screw. And then once you get it started, take your screwdriver and screw it on there. Okay? So this rail goes underneath on the cabinet, okay? And then this is going to go back on the side of the drawer. I had to take the drawers all apart. I really didn't have to, but they were kind of wonky, so I took them off anyway. I'm going to put them back together with glue. So then this one will go onto the cabinet, and then this one will fall into it, like so. Okay? So now we got it fixed. Okay, can you see that? Alright, but this will be on the drawer, and this will be under the cabinet. So we'll get this working the way it should work. It took me like 2 times to go to Home Depot, but these are made by, it says PLPCI. Like I said, you can get them in the hardware area at the Home Depot. I got lucky on this find because I didn't know what I was going to do with these rails and drawers. But this is going to make everything work. Alright, this is Joe, Mr. Faust, coming at you. Like and subscribe, guys. And share the video. You have a good one. I'm out.